Hey guys, this is Mr. Stooksberry. Just wanted to send out a video explaining how I'm going to try to do some virtual conferences this year. Another teacher here in the sixth grade hallway had a great idea to make virtual conferences available for all of you to be able to meet us in person online. My name is Scott Stooksberry. This is my fifth year as a teacher here at Vine. I was a full-time sub here for a couple of years before that while I was finishing my bachelor's degree to become a teacher. So I've been here a while, been around. I'm super excited about this school year. I know there's a lot of stuff that we don't understand and a lot of stuff that I don't know what's going to happen. But I am excited about the opportunity to try some new things that I think are going to be super beneficial for your kids. A little bit about me. I've been married to my wife, Shelly, for 20 years. We have three kids, three boys. Our oldest is at UT. Our middle son is going to be a junior at Powell High School this year, and our youngest is going to be an eighth grader at Powell Middle School. We live in the Powell area. I've lived in Powell since I was 2 years old, so I've been around. I've been around this area my whole life. This is a second career for me. I come from the real estate and construction industry. Spent most of my adult life building houses, things like that, and just was not fulfilling to me. Was not crazy about it. So I went back to school, started over again. I got my bachelor's degree in education and completed actually my master's degree this summer in education. So now I'm done with school, I hope, for the rest of my life. And some other kind of crazy facts. I ended up jumping out of a plane this summer. Went skydiving. I lost about 70 pounds over the summer and hit a big weight loss goal weight of mine that I've had for a long time. And my goal was always, if I could ever do that, to jump out of a plane, lifelong dream. And I did it. And I've got a video I'll show your kids whenever they get here. It's something that'll be fun to talk about. But that's just a little bit of information about me. I wanted to offer some times to you through a Sign Up Genius. There'll be a Sign Up Genius in this email that I'm sending to you that you can click on and sign up for a time slot that I will be available to meet with you virtually. It will take place in Microsoft Teams. The link for the Teams meeting will also be in that Sign Up Genius so that you can, or in the email, I'm sorry, so that you can click on it when it's your time. So you'll go to the Sign Up Genius and you'll sign up for a time slot. Whenever it is time for your slot, then you'll go back to that email again and click the link, and it will take you to the Microsoft Teams meeting. Please don't come in early because you'll be sitting in the waiting room. I've got it set up to hold everyone in a waiting room until I let you in, and I won't let you in until you're assigned time because there'll probably be somebody else in there before you. I'm going to keep the time slots to 10 minutes, which is going to be a stretch for me because I'm a talker. But I'm going to keep the slots to 10 minutes so that I can get through as many as I can and meet you guys and give you an opportunity to ask questions about what's happening. May or may not know the answer, but I will do the best I can to figure it out for you. If I can't do it right then, I get back to you. My contact information is also going to be in this email. You're welcome to send me a message at any point in time on that number. That is a Google Voice number that I set up on my phone so that my mobile phone would be accessible to you. If I'm doing something with my family, if I have a blocked out time that I'm doing something with them or I'm at church or whatever, you can still send me stuff. Don't worry about it. I just won't answer it until I get done. I have very specific times that I block out for my family. And if you call me during that time, as soon as the next time slot is that I'm going to be working or looking at that kind of thing, you'll be first on the list. So don't ever hesitate to send it. You're not going to be bothering me. I'll respond if I can. If I can't right then I'll respond as soon as I can. So you're going to use that Sign Up Genius. You're going to sign up for only one slot. I'm just looking on my notes here real quick. The Teams link. If you have a cell phone and you want to use your mobile phone to do this Meet the Teacher thing, that's fine, but you have to download the Microsoft Teams app beforehand to do it. Do not wait until the time of your appointment and try to do the Microsoft Teams app and download it and get it all working. It will not go well, I promise. So you got to have that downloaded first, and then you can go in that app and click the link and it'll be fine. You may get requests to do this from other teachers. Like I said, this was another teacher in sixth grade's idea, Miss Yarber, and I am just tagging on what she's doing because I thought it was an amazing opportunity for us to meet face-to-face in a situation where that may not happen this year. I'd love to see your face. I'd love to see your kid's face before school starts and just kind of begin to form a relationship. I'm a relationship guy, so I wanted to try to get that established early. This is how I will communicate with you most of the year, a video just like this. I will send out an email. It will have some information written in it, but there will almost always be a YouTube link in it that will take you to a video. I just think it's easier for people to be able to do that. I'll put the information written, but I'll also put a link. So if you don't want to read all the stuff that I put in the email, just click the link. It'll all be the same stuff. But guys, I'm really looking forward to this virtual Meet the Teacher opportunity. I think it's going to be great. I think it's one of the first new great things that's going to come out of this crazy, messed up school year that we're fixing to be a part of. Know before you contact any of us that we have very few answers that we have not already given you. We are trying to pass information along to you as fast as we get it. So we're just giving you everything we can get. Please, please, please allow us a little bit of grace this year. Nobody's ever done what we're trying to do this year. We're doing the best we can. We have been working tirelessly for the past 2 or 3 weeks, most of us all summer long, trying to get ready for this school year. Guys, we love your kids. We're so thankful that you trust us with your kids. We want to do the best we can for them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And I really look forward to seeing you in our virtual Meet the Teacher. Thanks. See you.